What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and welcome to your last-minute gift guide for tech under $50. First up, huge shout out to LetsFit for sponsoring this video, so be sure to check out their links below for some fitness tech at a price point that won't break the bank. And first up, we have the LetsFit smartwatch. Now, this is a fitness tracker with a few tricks up its sleeve. First off, we have a large color touchscreen that you can view your daily fitness reports on. You can see your heart rate, calories burned, steps taken, distance traveled, and it's all right on the device itself. It also includes all-day activity tracking, a breathing guide, we have different music controls, there's call and SMS alerts, and an alarm clock, a stopwatch. I mean, this thing is loaded. There's also a 10-day plus battery life, which is pretty important if you're going to track fitness for a while, and it only needs 2 to 3 hours to get to a full charge. This tracks up to 9 different sport modes, and when you have it synced to the VeryFit Pro mobile app that you can download on your smartphone, you can get detailed insights into weekly, monthly, and yearly heart rate and sleep monitoring data, which is pretty cool. And on top of that, we have 5 ATM waterproof, making it water resistant to sweat, rain, splashes, dust, you name it. I mean, it's pretty important to have on a fitness tracker, in my opinion. The best part here is that this smartwatch will only set you back $40, which is a pretty killer price point in my opinion. But next we have the LetsFit T22 truly wireless headphones, and these have a $40 price tag as well, but definitely pack some heat. So you get up to 4.5 hours of playtime with each charge, and the charging case actually packs a 2600 milliamp hour battery inside that can last up to 80 hours of playback time, and it doubles as a power bank, which is pretty cool. Now we have IPX6 water resistance, which will withstand sweat, rain, and anything that you're gonna do in your daily life. There's also the one-touch control function that will allow you to skip forward, go back in tracks, as well as increase or decrease the volume right from the earbuds. And there's a dual charging mode here which supports wired and wireless charging, providing you with obviously more convenience to get everything charged up. There's a dual/single earbud mode here, and the multicast sync technology will allow you to quickly switch between using both earbuds or just one without any additional pairing steps or signal loss, etc., things like that. And for $40, I was genuinely surprised at the sound quality here. I mean, they're wireless earbuds with a nice finish, and $40. I mean, if you like to pick these up or the LetsFit smartwatch, links to both will be in the description and everything else mentioned in this video as well. But a big shout out to LetsFit for sponsoring this video. Next we have the Tile Pro, and this may not track your fitness, but it'll definitely track your devices. Tile is definitely one of the best and well-known item trackers in the game, and I tend to be pretty forgetful when it comes to things like my keys, and I've been using Tile for quite a long time. Now, this Tile is pretty special because you can actually swap the battery on it yourself after its initial year lifespan, which I find to be pretty useful instead of like the other tiles where you have to buy a new one every time it runs out. Now, it easily connects via the app, and when you lose an item it's attached to, you just launch the app and tap find, and then it starts ringing in the other room or under the couch or wherever you left it. And the cool thing is that it works in reverse as well. So if you lose your phone, press the button on the tile to ring your phone. And I'm certain many of you have heard of Tile before, but it's quite literally one of the best little pieces of tech that you can get for the money, and it's only $35 as well. So it definitely makes a good fit if you're in the need for a quick gift pickup, and I personally love Tile. Coming up next, we have Google Assistant for your nightstand with the Lenovo Smart Clock. Now, this is a pretty simple device that quite literally displays a clock all day, and that may sound boring, but it has built-in smart features. And with Google Assistant, you can check the weather, play music, set alarms, you can bring up other content. I mean, it's pretty much it's a pretty damn handy device. I mean, it can work to control your smart home devices, you can use it to control your lights, your smart plugs, and it's been around for a little while, but it's super handy. And for under $50, I mean, come on. This thing has built-in speakers, a 4-inch touchscreen, we have Bluetooth 5.0, and it's a pretty small device that won't take up a lot of space on the table. There's also a mute switch on the backside too, in case you need that, and it's covered in a pretty nice gray fabric that looks super minimal. And with this device, I mean, less is definitely more. It's powerful, but it doesn't need a ton of gimmicks to sell itself, at least in my opinion. And there's a USB port on the back for charging up another device. So you can set this thing on your nightstand. It's kind of a one and done situation. I don't know, for $50, I think you definitely can't lose. Okay, so finally, to complement that smart clock and or Google Assistant, we have the TPLink Casa smart plug. Now this works with both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so I mean, there's really not much to say here. It's a smart plug. You can easily set it up through the Casa Home app, and you can get it up and running in a few minutes. From there, I linked it to my Google account so I can control it via the Casa app or using my voice with the Lenovo smart clock. It's pretty simple stuff, but what's even better is the fact that right now this little plug is literally only $12. Like a smart plug for $12, a way too good of a deal to pass up on. So if you're in need to control some outlets, I definitely recommend picking up one of these little guys. Like I said, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, you really can't go wrong for $12. So that about wraps it up for these tech gifts under 50 bucks. Pretty good price point, I think, for most everybody out there. And I think all of these are pretty cool. But I want to know which one of these is your favorite in the comment section below. Let me know. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. If you're new around here, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos like this drop in the near future. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Really do appreciate it. Once again, this is Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.